meant that we've achieved what we wanted to achieve. I genuinely didn't think that we could do what we've done. I think when we first engaged with you, we looked at a number of other providers, and whilst they could do what we wanted to do with in terms of the development, I think the feedback, the warmth and the human part of the relationship to me is always really important. And I think we've had that with you guys all the way through. One of the things that really pleases me is feedback that we've got from Rail Easy, who said that it was great working with you guys, and you've probably helped them a little bit with the way that they do certain things with their system. So I think, without trying to blow smoke up everybody's backside, I think everybody's done a fantastic job. To a lesser extent me, but to a greater extent meaning you and your team and Alfie, and I'm blown away, to be honest with you. I didn't think that this would get launched before the end of September. Everybody that's seen the app that I've showed it to, they've gone, wow, love it, it's clean, it's easy. Why can't anybody else do this? So, well, because everybody else, to be honest, doesn't quite have that human touch and the small nature of where it's making sure that you deliver what you want to deliver without complicating things. And I think you've absolutely nailed it.